Welcome to another Dwayne the Brain Fitness video. Today we're going to be making a high protein cookies and cream milkshake. This is going to be about 60 grams of protein, and trust me, it's going to taste amazing. We're going to pour out about a cup of milk. And we're going to use Isopure Zero Carb Cookies and Cream Protein Powder. Alright, you're going to use 1.5 scoops. Now, get some Halo Top ice creams. It's low calorie, has a good amount of protein. For the whole thing is only 310 calories, but we're about to use a cup. In there. This. Got it on your beard. These calories do not count. When you look at for your utensils that you're using to make whatever you're making, do not add these to your calorie count for the day. Thank you. Now we're just going to blend this all up. Now for toppings, we're going to use some whipped cream and some mini Oreos. And let's add some Oreos there. Just add it around the sides. Make it look nice. Make it look delectable. If you really want to make it look pretty, just crush up one of the Oreos in your hands and use it as a sprinkle. And there you have it, folks. 60 grams of protein and it's delectable, amazing tasting dessert. Time to try. Yeah, that's a good milkshake. 60 grams of protein. Perfect dessert to end your day. What I like to do is, once I get about halfway, I add more Oreos in. So by the time you get down to the bottom, it's like dumping your Oreos in milk, but it's actually milkshake. And it's glorious. So you just use a spoon at the end to take out the Oreos. You can enjoy it any way you want. A little bit of Oreos or a lot of Oreos. I'm not going to judge you because it's already 60 grams of protein. Let me know in the comments below if you'll try a recipe like this. Until next time, stay fit, my friends. Yeah.